Hi, good morning, Hamilton Beach. I put my 10 ounces of water in the water reservoir and I will put my 2 tablespoons here, and this is also double mesh. Here you can put your spices, whatever you like, as a flavoring. So let me put only 2 tablespoons here around. So I put 2 tablespoons of coffee. This is the showering, and I am using the original blend from Dunkin Donuts. Now I will close the lid. I will put my mug. I have 2 options, either light brewing or bold brewing. I will go with the smooth light brewing. My brewing cycle is processing. My cup of coffee is ready. Just we'll have a look. Thank you for watching my video.